So now we want to query. There's this really handy type of query in Couchbase Lite called a live query, which you'll see at the top of the CBL live query, which will automatically update as the database changes. And we're going to be using one of those. And then we also have a handy controller class that acts as the driver for a UI table view that you can just plug the query right into, and this controller class takes care of running the query and drawing the table view and even updating the table view rows as the query results change. So let's talk about queries. Compared to all of the really Baroque stuff that you can do in SQL, it's fairly basic. You get your kind of standard stuff. You can set a starting and an end key within the index. You can have an offset and a limit if you only want to grab a subset of the results, like for paging. You can get the results in reverse order, and there's some more advanced options like grouping, like combining all things that have the same key. You don't get joins. You don't get really fancy controls over sorting, but you do have some powerful things that you can do, especially by using compound keys and by being creative about how you emit things. As I said, there's this subclass of CBL query called CBL live query, which will keep running and monitor the database. And whenever the database changes, it will see whether the query's results change. And if they do, it will post a notification. You can either use key value observing or an NS notification. And then you can use that to drive a UI table view. And on iOS, we have some sort of extra goodies that aren't really part of the cross-platform feature set yet. You can do full text indexing of data, and you can also